Why people always compare Vibes Cartel to Alkaline? There's no comparison, you know.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
As like me say, Vibes Cartel go up an interview. And the exact same thing what Vibes Cartel say, Alkaline say it in an interview. You see me? Yeah.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
The generation that he came up in, they embrace him as their cartel.
Yeah.
So that's why you got a lot of props from them as well. It's not just because he does good songs. They just wanted their own cartel and they got one.
What?
2,000 years later.
So I understand say them want a Vibes Cartel and them see Alkaline as them Vibes Cartel. Yeah.
Let me move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them?
I'm gonna don't know one Media Fox funny up, you know, people. Yo, I never seen a one video yet. Like the man broke a record. I never see somebody contradict themselves yet. Yo, I don't know, Ella skip, bro. Something wrong with your dog. I feel like you don't know something wrong with you. Something where you're saying in that video, dog. People, you don't need to watch.
I decide I'm not going nowhere. I just have to stay in the house and go and chill, you know? Watch some TV, watch some YouTube. But let me get the understanding to Vibes Cartel guy yard. See? Yeah, I get the understanding to Vibes Cartel guy yard and shoot him big bad video. Victory. Remember me tell Vibes Cartel, say, yo, don't drop that song here without no video. You know? It look like Vibes Cartel take the advice and go on a yard. Because you can't drop a song like that and it not have no video. We are match with the song. I say, no. It have to come.
People, I tell you, say dancehall thing, it wash up. May I tell you? It will wash up people. You're telling me we are watching video now and not listening to the music? Like when we're in a parties and events, are we watching the video? Or are we listening to the music through the speaker box? I don't want to know, people. When since this video thing, bro? Video? That not make no sense. Video cannot do nothing for no music, but I listen to music, dog. All when you watch a video, at the end of the day, I listen to music. You understand? This is not like movie, dog. You listen to music. Because if you go on an event, I listen, you're not watching no video. You understand? You're not watching no video. And at that with uno brother, like, come on, you not pre some views thing or not listen music. That more I know.
Implement with the song. Actually, I said the words. So Vibes Cartel here and go yard and I'm doing thing. But apart from that, when I look on everything with a Vibes Cartel, just the fact that going to Jamaican, I watch, you know, the Meccan, I just observe. And I said to myself, say, yo, it just running in my head and I say, yo, why these human beings keep comparing Alkaline to a Vibes Cartel?
People, remember him say that, you know. Listen now, remember him say that why he compare, but look what happened after.
But just observe the DJ, you know, as a Capricorn to a Capricorn, you know. I said to myself, say, yo, why people always compare Vibes Cartel to Alkaline? There's no comparison, you know.
Are two great artists, them.
There's no comparison. There's no close of a comparison. There's
Remember, you know, people, him say no close of a comparison. Look what I go on now.
none. Seriously, there is none at all. Vibes Cartel, they in a league by himself. Yeah, man. Vibes Cartel, they in a league by himself, brethren. Only him can stop himself. And me observe and me see some Mecca thing and, you know, Vibes Cartel going on Mecca and give me a bag of things. And I say to myself, say, yo, whenever it's another artist actually going to Mecca since Vibes Cartel come out of prison. Vibes Cartel have been in Mecca and give away several liquor, money. You know, I say, never yet seen an artist who actually do them thing there, you know? No.
People, you see what I talk about? Them money brain just, it's sick, dog. So, you say you not see no other artists, but if the artist them go do it now, what I go say? Oh, a cartel him a follow, I this him a follow, Ray. Brother, cartel a buy people backland. Brother, the artists them not obligated for do that. You understand? Artists have charity giveaways and all of them little things. Bro. I'm not going like say, giving away battles is that, bro. People out there suffer, brother. That's just one night. You understand? The giving away buckles are rum and all of them things. That not help no family, brother. That not help no family. Brother, liquor is not healthy, bro. So when since this oh, buying liquor and the artist now going way if we go buy liquor. Brother, man in there, woman in there, them have them money for spend, brother. Not because Vice Cartel in there. Vice Cartel a fiend thing that him buy what him want. Wait have to do with the other rest of artists them. Me not understand this, brother. And then you get up, boy, yo, if yo Cartel, una size up, una compy, una copy and ray. Una want other artists do it. But when the artists them do it, una go see him, una go say, them a follow Cartel. That not make no sense, brother. One not take make it seems like a something is madness, bro. Cartel a buy Essa Speed for ray. It not have nothing to do with the other rest of artists them, brother. Cartel a do what him a do. He want buy, I remember buying I'm son birthday, you know. You understand? And you don't know the Gaza people might come out so him do what him want to do. You understand? Because a film fans are go there. So him do what him, it have nothing to do with the rest of the artists. My son want artists. If you go take them money rather than give to somebody and help build a place or help them out with grocery or food or you don't want the artists them for going and make her go buy a bag of liquor. We not good for people. Tell them about una brother.
Give away as much as we Vibes Cartel give away, you know? To the mass. You get me I say? I mean I say to myself, say, yo, Vibes Cartel there now. In our own lane. There's no comparison. But I understand the vendetta people them want somebody over feed them team like a Vibes Cartel. So them always are trying to run the comparison because there's no comparison, brother.
Yo, that brother, yeah. You're sick in the head, dog. I tell you that. Somebody who vendetta want to be like Vice Cartel, bro. That even make no sense? That even make no sense, brother. Remember if I'm to get go, uno compare Alkaline with Vice Cartel, no? Everything, you realize Alkaline sold out the Barclays, the whole on a run. Yo, a cheap, if you ticket them cheap, uno been a compare, brother. Uno a compare, then a blame people say, a people a compare. That now make no sense. Uno, Alkaline I do him do normally. But uno no likes the other artists do great things out there, so uno go compare it with the Cartel do. Cause of that you do right now. See, you are say compare, but you are compare the other rest of artists them not going into make and buy up bag of liquor for give people. That you are compare now. So what you say now make no sense.
There's no comparison. I swear to you, there is no comparison. So I understand say them want a Vibes Cartel and them see Alkaline as them Vibes Cartel. Yeah, them want a Vibes Cartel. So them see Alkaline as their Vibes Cartel. Because trust me.
Them see Alkaline as their Vice Cartel. I tell you, Elder Skip, I don't know what's wrong with that dog. I tell you. And you know say people, you know say Cartel say the same thing. I'm have to shame head. The man say, yo, them did want a next Vice Cartel, so them get one. Bro, I wanna get up every day and wanna say I'm not compare look at you, them get a next Vice Cartel. What you mean, bro? Cartel and Alkaline father. Cartel have him two son them. So what you mean them get a next Vibes Cartel? I don't understand that, bro. Una so obsessed with Alkaline till una just want it come like una just want the youth for be Vice Cartel, bro. I never see something like this yet. You understand? You think vendetta people them no want no about no cartel, brother? Alkaline, cartel, brother. And even Cartel himself come out and say it. Say yo, them they see him as a next Vice Cartel, so them get it. What? Are two different artists them. When me see Cartel say that, me have to say Cartel. Come on, fam. That even make no sense, brother. You see me? That even make no sense. You see me? I think him say yo, him coulda them run with it. You know, get a next Vice Cartel, bro. Like, would see myself I say yo, them they want a next Media Fox. Come on, bro. I feel like una overdo that thing, the dog.
There is no Vibes Cartel them million miles ahead of Alkaline. Because remember at the same time, how can there be when I compare Alkaline with a Vibes Cartel about? Because Alkaline patternized everything for a Vibes Cartel. Everything, like everything. Every single thing the man patternized. Yeah, me not tell a lie. The man patternized every single thing for a Vibes Cartel. You see me? Yo, once upon a time, I did think say.
Just listen way my talking to people. Just listen man saying patternized. Listen to patternized.
Once upon a time in my head, me used to say, yo, you know, say if Masicka clash Alkaline would have win. But then I start look on it from a different perspective. And I said to myself, say, yo, if Masicka clash Alkaline, Masicka would have kill Alkaline. And me used to say, yo, you know, say if Masicka clash Alkaline would have win. But then I start look on it from a different perspective. And I said to myself, say, yo, if Masicka clash Alkaline, Masicka would have kill Alkaline easily.
So this gone from comparing Vice Cartel, now it gone clash with Masicka Alkaline. Brother, them money are just sick, brother. Like they end up on some meds. I don't know how the goalposts move. This don't even make no sense, brother. What you say?
Easily. Masicka would have to be smart about it. Oh, me not killing Prince. Dog, it easy. All Masicka have to tell Alkaline, say, yo, dog, you know walk your one lane. I walk in a Vibes Cartel shadow. The man had the living identity of Vibes Cartel. I swear to you. Yo.
People, you hear them money talk? The man that say Masicka would have said, you live in a cartel shadow. I live in Vice Cartel. Bro, you notice say uno they are compare, brother. Uno realize say it's like I feel like uno brain it lasts, uno know what I say. It's like uno say something out of the mouth and uno feel like say a reality and it's not. The man I say, yo, he might try to be Vice Cartel and all. Bro, every day, years when I get up with that. And when the youth stay to himself and do something different, everything the youth do no compare. Everything the youth do. Nah, make no sense, brother. Uno really have to obsess with that youth for get up every day and compare with Cartel. Everything the youth do. His stage thing, uno say do interview, like Cartel, him saying do this, uno said, uno been a say it, brother. And then now make it seem like say people out here say it. Uno no sense.
Remember say when Vice Cartel they in a prison for 13 years, you know. Listen, you know. Remember say when Vice Cartel they in a prison for 13 years. Nobody not talk about Alkaline. See? Not a goddamn soul not talk about Alkaline. He wanna drop a millions. I remember 1 year. I remember for last year. No. I can't last year because Vice Cartel is there road. I think about a year before Vice Cartel come a road, Alkaline must have dropped about 7 songs. About 7 songs. He did drop a bag of songs that year there. And not one of them hit. Not one of them hit. The one of them tush. See? And when Vice Cartel come a road now, you notice Alkaline start show up himself more because him have to bridge Vibes Cartel current. Yeah, him have to bridge Vibes Cartel current for stay active. Yeah, man, him have to bridge Vibes Cartel current for be active, bridge. A Vibes Cartel current in my bridge. Me I tell you, bridge. If Vibes Cartel for just lock off social media and don't come out time yard and stay dormant, Alkaline flop again. Me I tell you, because
the man have a weird laugh, and that laugh they come like, I don't know. Him not too right in him head. And just listen to him, people. Him not too right in him head, way I say. You understand? But listen.
You're always going to find people to compare a Vibes Cartel to an Alkaline. So if there is nothing to compare him with, nobody not talk about it. Me I tell you, Bridget. Me used to always think, say, yo, you know, if Masicka clash Alkaline wouldn't kill it. But my money go up on Masicka. I swear to you. My money go up on Masicka. Me go bet my money on Masicka. For it. I swear to you. Because all Masicka have to tell him, sing a song for make him know. Say, he don't walk him on a lane. None at all. The man walk in living. Listen. The man walk the same lane and patternized Vibes. Carbon copy of a teacher. Yeah, man. Vibes Cartel in him own lane. But I understand, say, the vendetta them want a Vibes Cartel over there. I understand. You know what I say? Yeah, man. Me understand. Trim hibiscus tea. You know?
It look like an hibiscus that. A Christian bishop that you come like you drink too much of that. Like them put something in that for your dog. I be a madness here talk, brother. I be a madness here talk, bro. Like when I'm obsessed with Alkaline so much every day and I get up. Yo, he might do this like that. Me never brother, I don't know how no just watch a brother so just a be himself. You see it. When you just look back, it show and say, when you meds with Cartel I do, you know. When you meds with Alkaline I do. You understand? I see it because Cartel chop a lot of projects and album and you don't see it, but you see Alkaline one. You see Alkaline everything what him do. You have to see everything what him do for compare with Cartel now, brother. For say, oh, I follow Cartel, I do this. You just have find some little unnecessary thing that don't even make no sense. You see me?
So me understand. But there's no comparison, man. There is no comparison. Him can't do it by himself. Yeah. He can't.
Man saying can't do it by himself and not by himself. Remember say a bounty killer give Cartel the break in a brother. You understand? So him for walk in a Cartel lane. I don't understand that. Alkaline for the game and do it himself. You understand? Nobody never camp on a stage or give him a highlight. You just put in a contact lens, get the attention and start the great music. You understand? So I don't know what you're talking about.
Can't do it by himself. No sir. People have this notion say boy Alkaline do it on him own. Do it by who one? Brother. I live in Cartel that me I look Yo dog. Yo teacher big up yourself yeah man.
People, you see when you see Elder Skip, something wrong with him. You saw him laugh a while ago. somebody will laugh and it just nah connect. Like you just laugh, something really wrong with you. You understand? It's like you try laugh for fake it, but it just not work, dog. What you say now in a sense. And the reason why you laugh, you kinda say you chat a bag of shit. You see me? Yeah, it not work, dog. Me don't know. I feel like him just in him feelings people and him just want to come vent. Cause let me tell you what now. Alkaline they are Jamaica with him album and everything and do every good thing. And then through the people my compare say Cartel they are foreign how long. I remember say when Cartel do the Sunfest, the next day man fly out back fast. So imagine Alkaline do be a video shoot and one bag or something. And then when you look as Cartel fly down in a private jet, him start do video shoot and all of them little thing there. For song and everything, gone back a Portmore. Although when him fall out, him never go Portmore. But him fly down, Alkaline 9 place, him na film place. You understand? Them start compare that no and this. So that's why I mean I'm feelings. Cause I see some people have found out and I say, yo, Cartel, you follow Alkaline. You see me? So that's why you see my vent and I chat bag of madness.
Teacher, big up yourself. DJ, big up yourself. Yeah, man. World boss, big up yourself. Yeah, man. The man then I'm on the end, dog. There's no only Cartel can stop Cartel. Nobody else can stop Cartel. Yeah, man. And people will always ask the question, say, yo, Prince, this is what you do. You know, like Alkaline? I'm say, I'm not against Alkaline, you know. I always tell him, say, yo, I'm not against Alkaline. Because if him sing a good song, I come say him sing a good song. But it's just the fact of him just copy the artist. I just know I say, yo, you're, you know. But it's obvious though, because like I said, Vybz Kartel go up an interview. And the exact same thing what Vybz Kartel say, Alkaline say it in an interview. You see me? Yeah.
Yo, people, all me can tell you, them money are enough of them are undercover fan. The man them put copyright to everything where Cartel say. And then Alkaline forward and I do an interview, man them say, I'm more than one people me here say, man them say Alkaline do interview like Cartel. Channel youth. Me I tell you, and when you do an interview, you know, them I say, yo, this a trash. Yo, Cartel do better and Ray. Now them I say, yo, he would do interview like, I don't know what you mean by him do interview like the person. Me not understand. What you mean, bro? You don't have to really obsessed with a youth for do that, bro. You don't have to really obsessed with a youth for do that, bro. For no pre so deep in a physical reaction and all of them little thing there. They say, yo, alright, Cartel blink, Cartel do this, Alkaline do the same thing, this and that. Bro, is Alkaline having a script? Or him just a answer based on theme life? His theme life and in a society. I want to know. I don't understand that. You understand? No Cartel alone can talk intelligently. Like, I feel like you never expect. You know what the problem, people? I feel like them never expect say somebody like Alkaline would have forward so great and just dominate the space. So you understand? At that, without even trying. You see it? Because at the end of the day, him just say something a while ago about if Cartel not doing a post in Alkaline. Bro, Cartel a post every day. Alkaline don't. The youth not run down hypertension, brother. Get that. Cartel do that. Cartel want to be seen. Alkaline don't want to be seen, brother. Are two different, man. You see me?
And remember at the same time, the Alkaline was a Gaza man. Him himself growing up as a child was a Gaza man. Him and him friends them. And people know this. But as me say, I understand say, the vendetta them want a Vybz Kartel over for them side. Me understand. Them see. And that, them see a Vybz Kartel in a Alkaline. Me I tell you?
Brother, that don't even sound good, brother. One of them Gaza man people. Them want to see a Vybz Kartel in a Alkaline, bro. Why for that, brother? Something on the top, bro. Like, bro, more than for just come off the internet, brother. You not just obsessed with a youth, just a be himself and a do him thing. You understand? What kind of statement that? Burn off that.
Them see a Vybz Kartel in an Alkaline, so they run the comparison. But there's no comparison. There is no comparison, brother. None at all. None at all. Brother, if me see Alkaline in a half a tree, I want me to walk past Alkaline. Me not gonna ask Alkaline for your picture or autograph. For what? No, that.
Brother, you're a Gaza fan. And you would have wanted to. Because why you bring it up? If you see Alkaline, you walk past this, that. Brother, you're not nobody, brother. Yo, them money, I tell the people, them money. Boy, the man, them. You know what it seems to me, people? It seems to me, them wish Cartel could have the personality of Alkaline move. But some feel. To be honest, the way them get up every day and talk Alkaline do and this and that and Ray. Bro, you know no sense, brother. You see me? First of all, you're not going to see Alkaline out the road. You will see Vybz Kartel. You're not going to see Alkaline out the road like that, brother. You see me? So the moment you bring up that, You just in your feelings. You see me, if Alkaline a pass and Ray, you go big him up. You just attack now.
No, brother. I swear to you. Me a Capricorn, you know. Yeah, man, with dark, man. With dark. Dark. Yeah, man. NASA. I faced it too. We faced it. Brother. No, dog. Yo. But cartel in our own lane, man. Cartel in our own lane. Yeah, man. Cartel in our own lane. Only cartel can stop cartel. Why me see some people do some foolish? Yo, why me see some people do some foolishness over the internet? You know what me up on the internet I do? You have
People, him say while him see some foolishness I go on over the internet, what him just look what hear what the man I go say. I can't believe these people.
three. Remember just use the three in a standard English. 3. You have 3 entertainers right here in America. Me send them a message. Zin, when me say entertainer, me not talking at the dancehall world. No. Me not talking at the R&B, hip-hop world. Me send them a message and say, yo, me know you're good, but me want to test your versatility with a feature with Vybz Kartel. Me say, me know you're good, you know, but me want to test your versatility with a Vybz Kartel pan a feature. And that's why me I do waste my time. You can't believe that. Me send 3 artists that in America. Yeah, man. 3.
Brother, yo, when I really love man, you know, brother, me I telling you know, so you are tell the people them say, you go in a 3 artist DM. See? I mean, when you talk about versatility, I mean, one a woman. So you go in a 3 woman. No, you go in a 3 man inbox and ask them, say, you feel you don't want them do a collab with Vybz Kartel. Bro, youth, not dangerous. That you take your time I do? Why you never go in a one girl inbox where you see and look at her? You go in a one 3 man inbox. If you go tell them say yo you want to test them versatility for collab with Kartel, bro. Dog, sometimes something I wanna do, brother. Me have to shit me dog like bro, when I pre some level I don't know, brother. I don't know. You want rather than going to woman, look woman for yourself. You're going a 3 man, you're going a man inbox and ask man if you do collab with Kartel. You dangerous, me I tell you that.
You see me? Why I'm see some other man have some waste conversation, I do some waste things. No, stop. Me I try to make my artist go way up a top. You get me I say?
Bro, yeah waste yo. This man, yeah Vybz Kartel manager? Yeah what to Vybz Kartel? Them people not even go answer you, brother. You want to link people like say you do business with them, like you pay for collaboration, like you work like a label. You text man in the inbox. See? Fi collab with Vybz Kartel. No dog. If I that you take spare time out of your day if you do. Bro, I don't know what else you would do, brother. I tell her that.
We up a top. You see me? Yeah man. But teacher, big up yourself. Every day above ground.
People, big up yourself because them Gaza man, brother. Yo, them man, I don't know, dog. Them man move like some feminine species, dog. May I tell you? The man say you him text 3 international artists and ask him firstly if he collab. Brother, go look a woman for yourself, dog. Better you text a woman, brother. You text man. Out of you all of your spare time for the day. You take that time for go ask international act for collab, for do collab with Kartel. Boy, people, big up on yourself. I'm glad you see why we're with them guys, man. You see me, but people, you don't know 1 meter for spanning up. That is it.